Hi children, how are you all? I hope everyone are fine, good. Now coming to the point. So today in this video we are going to see an assignment on tribes, nomads and settled communities, so which is related to class 7th. Then while children, let's start our assignment. So here is your first question children. What did Peter Mundy write about pastoral nomads? So Peter Mundy is an English trader who came to our country and he observed the different tribes. He wrote something about pastoral nomads. So that is they are asking question here. What did Peter Mundy write about pastoral nomads? So he wrote about pastoral nomads that they carried wheat, rice and wives, children with them. They buy grains from where it was cheaply available and sold it to place where they could earn profit. Okay, that means, so they will go different places. By that time, they carried wheat, rice, wives and their children, and they will buy something goods, grains where they are getting cheaply, and they will sell this where they are getting more profit. So that is what he wrote about pastoral nomads. Now let's take second question children. During dash century and dash an English trader come to our country. Yeah, just now I said who is an English trader came to our country? That is none other than Peter Mundy. That is the one answer. And next, during which century is 17th century. Okay. Now let's take third question children. How many persons will be there in a tanda? So tanda means a group of clans, means a group of community or a group of clans. So 600 to 700 persons will be there in a tanda. Next, fourth question children. How many miles in a day Banjaras will travel during the cold weather? So the answer is 6 to 7 miles per day. Okay, so that is what's here. Banjaras will travel not more than 6 to 7 miles in a day. Next, fifth question. What was sold by the petty peddlers? So petty peddlers, they will sell different things like the ropes, reeds, straw matting and coarse sacks. So they will travel from village to village and they will sell all these things. Next, coming to the sixth question children. Who were specialized artisans? The answer is smith, carpenters, masons were specialized artisans. Now let's take seventh question here. What did the entertainers do for the livelihood? Entertainers means what? When the nomads travel from one place to other place, in this place means meanwhile there are different entertainers who will entertain the nomads. See, they are asking what did entertainers do for the livelihood. So some caste of tribes were entertainers, just now I said no, who perform in different towns and villages for their livelihood. Means they will entertain the nomads. Why? That is their occupation and for their livelihood. Now next, take 8th question children. Name the smaller caste that emerged within Varnas. The answer is Jatis. Okay. Next, 9th question. Which caste people became the basis for organizing society? So again answer is Jati only. Next, take last question. Which century inscriptions describe the deliberation in a sabha of Brahmanas? In a 12th century's inscription children. So describe about this deliberation in a sabha of Brahmanas. So that is from Udayakondan, Udaya, so which is in Tiruchirappalli Taluka. Describe deliberations about this Sabha of Brahmins. So from which century it is? 12th century. Okay, from where it is? Uyakonda, Udaya. Where it is? From Tiruchirappalli Taluk. So these are 10 questions answered children. We complete this assignment. I hope everyone are clear with these answers. Thank you so much children. I will meet you in the next assignment. Until that, sign off.